Hey guys, Sean here at Mahalo.com, and in today's lesson, I'm going to show you what Windows Gadgets are and how to use them.
Windows Gadgets are a simple one-use program that sits on the desktop. To open the Windows Gadget, just simply click on the Start menu, then select All Programs, then select Desktop Gadget Gallery. Now to open any of these gadgets, just simply double-click on them, and they'll be presented on the right side of the screen. For instance, I can also open the clock and also a weather monitor. And once the gadgets are on the screen, you can also make them smaller and bigger by the icon right here. But it doesn't work for every gadget. If you'd like to add a gadget that's not here, you can simply click on the Get More Gadgets Online. And from this site, you can download gadgets from Microsoft. Although just be wary of which gadgets you download, because not all these are published and made by Microsoft. For instance, if we wanted to install traffic Bing Maps, you just click on Get Now, then we click on Download, Open File with Windows Desktop Gadgets. Click OK. We'll just click on Install. And this gadget is verified because its publisher is Microsoft. And there we have it. Our new gadget has been installed, and we just select the area we're at. And now we have our traffic map. As far as gadgets go, one other thing you should know about the gadgets is if your system's running poorly, the first thing you might want to remove is the gadgets from your desktop, because the Windows gadgets do actually take up some memory. So if you're low on memory and your system's running slow, you might want to remove the gadgets. For instance, right now, these gadgets are taking up about 38 megs of memory. There you go, you now know how to install gadgets and use the gadgets you already have installed. If you'd like to stay connected to this learning course, make sure to subscribe and feel free to rate and comment below, and thanks for watching.